Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Bahasa. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe. But in my channel, I will not focus into grammar or probably to speaking in Bahasa. So let's start. We will learn about greeting in Bahasa, how to introduce yourself, and how to say thank you. In Bahasa, we have selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, and selamat malam. You can use selamat pagi between 3 a.m. until 11 a.m. and selamat siang you can use 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. and then selamat sore you can use between 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. And the last, selamat malam, you can say when the time more than 6 p.m. Actually, bahasa seem like another language. The greeting depend the time. Now, we are going to learn how to introduce in bahasa. You can introduce yourself. Halo, nama saya Jenny. Saya berasal dari California. Umur saya 25 tahun. In English like, Hello, my name is Jenny. I'm from California. I'm 25 years old. And nice to meet you. How to say thanks in bahasa. You just need to say Terimakasih. Only one, Terimakasih. So now the summary of today's class, like, repeat after me, and you have to remember selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam, terima kasih, and introduce yourself, nama, saya, umur, berasal, and salam kenal. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for joining today's class. I hope you enjoy and you can understand. Sorry for my bad English, but hopefully you can understand bahasa. Thank you and see you in the next video.